Struggling to make consistent income online? What if I told you there's a bot that automatically grabs high-ticket recurring commissions for you without constant work? Welcome to my in-depth review of Grab Recurring Bot. I'll show you how it works, its pros and cons, and whether it's worth your investment. Stick around till the end for a special bonus. What is Grab Recurring Bot? Grab Recurring Bot is a cloud-based software designed to help affiliate marketers automatically secure recurring commissions from high-ticket offers. Instead of chasing one-time sales, this bot tracks and claims recurring commissions from JVZoo WarriorPlus and more, so you get paid over and over again. It's perfect for beginners and experts who want passive income without manually monitoring sales. How does it work? Step 1. Setup. Connect your affiliate accounts JVZoo WarriorPlus. Step 2. Choose offers. Pick high-ticket recurring products, e.g. SaaS, memberships. Step 3. Let the bot work. It automatically tracks and claims commissions before others. Step 4. Earn recurring income. Get paid monthly without extra effort. Key features: auto commission claiming, no manual work needed. Multiple platform support, works with JVZoo WarriorPlus. etc. Real-time tracking, monitors sales 24/7. High-ticket focus, targets big recurring commissions, user-friendly. Dashboard, easy for beginners. Pros and cons. Pros: passive income on autopilot. No tech skills required. Saves time versus manual tracking, scales easily with more offers. Cons: requires initial setup. Depends on offer availability. Must pick good recurring products. Who is it for? Affiliate marketers tired of one-time commissions. Beginners wanting automated income. Experts scaling recurring revenue. Bonus and discount: if you grab Recurring Bot through my link below, I'll give you an exclusive bonus, e.g. affiliate marketing guide, funnel templates. But hurry, JVZoo deals often expire fast. Final verdict: if you want automated recurring commissions, Grab Recurring Bot is a solid choice. It's not magic, you still need good offers, but it maximizes earnings effortlessly. Worth trying if you're serious about passive income. Like this video, subscribe for more reviews, comment below if you've tried it.